Hello guys, namaste and tashitalek to everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you that our VSBI students that is final exam is coming soon. So today is the self-study, and then after 5 days so they start the exam. So okay guys, so I'm going to show you how they study, and actually I did take video especially for you all, my subscriber, because I'm sure you want to see, because I take a photo and post in our monastery Facebook, and then after I'm thinking, so this year I'm going to make a video especially for you all who like my YouTube channel. So okay, and go and let's see. And guys, I'm sure you know that this is my sweet room, so enjoy to see my sweet room. And okay guys, so okay, I'm going now, and then students they are starting, and okay, and let's go. So now I'm in class, so to study.
One was collected. How far is Goka from Kathmandu? Goka is the first, which is the first time.
Good luck for your exam.
Thank you, sir.
Best of luck for your exam.
एकदम सर धन्यवाद हजुरलाई.
Robin, best of luck for your exam.
Thank you, sir.
Best of luck for your exam.
Thank you, sir.
Patam, best of luck for your exam.
Thank you, sir.
Drink how much bola? Rajung re. Exam how much? Thank you. Shinga Jendra. Okay, so.
는 갈와 페나 상기니 최담보 권한 수미기 탑라 기회 왕기 교보량 수모 다부당
这一兄弟的孙子，我也学习的在这部，感觉这都是兄弟。
Best of luck for your exam.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Some people, farmer, driver, carpenter.
그다 아주 예교 가더라 예교.
Ego sadawa, jema hapte sadawa.
제만 하부터 기사다와. 오, 라스. Yeah, Basambo. Best of luck for your exam.
Yes, thank you.
Best of luck for your exam.
Thank you, sir.
Best of luck for your exam. Ron. Best of luck for your exam.
Thank you, sir.
Best of luck for your exam.
Thank you, sir.
Okay guys, so now I'm back to my room, and so I just take short video so there, because it's not good for take many video, because they are study very hard, so it's disturb for them, so and I share this small short video, so it's only for you all, how they study. And then today they start self-study, and then after 5 days, and I think in February 3rd they start exam, and then 5 days, and like I mean the 5 subject also 5 days they have exam. Okay guys, so see you. After 5 days later. Hello, good morning guys, I'm back now. And then so I'm sure you guys know that, yeah, so today it's February 3rd is our VSBI students final exam. So 8 o'clock they start, and so I'm just taking my breakfast, and then 8 o'clock, before 8 o'clock I'm going to there and then take a video and photos also. So photo I'm sure you can see in our monastery Facebook and also in my page, yeah, Lord the JCM photographer. Okay guys, and see you. 1 minute, I'm drinking butter tea. This is very tasty. गाह्रो छ कि सजिलो छ गाह्रो छ सजिलो छ कि कस्तो छ सजिलो छ कि गाह्रो छ सजिलो छ कहाँ रहते हैं ले लो तो निकल खाओ तो कल खाओ तो सजिलो छ कि कस्तो छ सजिलो छ ठिकै छ गाह्रो छ कि सजिलो छ सजिलो ले लो तो तीस कला होता चाय चाय गाह्रो छ कि सजिलो छ परेन सही गाह्रो छ ठिकै छ के हो आज टिबेटन हो ड्रिङ्क खानु त एक चाहिँ नेपाली खाँदै ले लो तो निकल खाओ ले लो तो निकल खाओ तो दादा दो यहाँ पर चाय बा गुड दिस है good ले लो तो निकल खाओ तो तीस ले लो ता ले लो तो निकल खाओ तो दादा दो ले लो तो निकल खाओ तो दादा दो नेपाली ले लो तो निकल खाओ तो ले लो तो ड्रिङ्क गर्ने तो ले लो तो निकल खाओ तो
30 का हो
लो तो निकल खाओ तो दादा खाओ तो ले लो तो निकल खाओ तो ले लो तो चाना So now I'm going in my room, and then I'm sure you are enjoying to watch this video. Yeah, okay. And then guys, thank you so much for watching this video. And then so if you did not subscribe my YouTube channel, so please do subscribe my YouTube channel if you want to see my video or about our monastery or monk. Okay guys, and then so after finish our exam, so we have 2 days holiday, and then after 2 days holidays we are very busy to preparing our grand Mahakala Puja 2020. So okay guys, so and so not too much talk, okay, and then that's all. And then yes, so next video I'm going to show you we are making offering cake torma for grand Mahakala Puja 2020. Okay, and then see you guys in next video, and miss you and love you always guys.